Zebra stripes pattern color is so popular in the world, many people like to use this black and white pattern in dresses, wallpapers, paintings, tiles, and so on. Ever wondered how those two colors help a zebra? Before going to see the uses of the black and white stripes to a zebra, let's see some of the amazing facts about zebras. Zebras are mostly found on the African continent, in the semi-desert areas of Kenya and Ethiopia, and the hilly areas of Namibia, Angola, and South Africa. A zebra cannot carry a man on its back. Zebras are part of the equidae family along with horses and donkeys. But it is not possible for zebras to carry a man on them, since their backs are not strong enough to carry heavy loads or to be saddled. What do zebras eat? Zebras eat mostly grass, bits of leaves, and stems of bushes. Its maximum lifespan is 20 to 30 years. Its predators are lions, hyenas, wild dogs, and cheetahs. How do zebras communicate? They can either bark, bray, or snort. They have excellent hearing and eyesight. They can also communicate with each other through various facial expressions and through the flicking and movement of their ears. A zebra can sleep while standing up. Another amazing fact is that it can sleep while standing. At night, zebras lay down to sleep to reach a deeper, REM state of rest. But if they are sleeping during the day, you can often find wild zebras sleeping while standing. This allows them to be alert if danger is nearby, allowing them time to run away quickly. Zebra's size. Zebras are big in size compared to both horses and donkeys. Their size varies depending on their subspecies. Its average height is 4 feet to 5 feet. Its average weight is 170 to 449 kilograms. Zebras' running speed. They can run at speeds of up to 56 kilometers per hour. Zebras types. It might seem like a zebra is a zebra, but there are three different species, which are the plain zebra, mountain zebra, and Grevy's zebra. Uses of the zebra stripes. Actually, zebra's skin is black, only its fur is distinctively striped. Heat regulation. The white stripes reflect light and keep the zebras cool while they stand and graze in the hot African sun all day. The black stripes absorb heat from the sun and warm up the animals in the morning during the winter time. Zebra stripes are unique to each individual. Just like human fingerprints, no two zebra stripes are the same. So their stripes have a social purpose and help zebra recognize each other. And their stripes serve as a kind of protection from predators. This pattern creates an illusion to the hunting wild animal's eyes. When zebras are grouped together, their combined stripes make it hard for a lion or leopard to pick out one zebra to chase. Stripes protects from flies biting. Their stripes disrupting the visual system of the horseflies or other disease-transmitting insects, so they cannot recognize that black and white surface as a good landing spot. It gives an additional benefit to zebras than any other wild animal. Thank you. Subscribe Clear Views channel to see more videos.